Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the skin. A clean, slightly damp surface helps the product blend. Once moisturized, shake the tube and warm a pea-sized amount between fingertip and brush. This activates texture. Dab directly on targeted discoloration and gently tap to deposit color rather than swipe. Tapping maintains coverage. Make sure to build slowly, layer by layer, because Vasanti's corrector is pigment-rich. Less is often more. Once done, let each thin layer set for a few seconds before proceeding. Next, you blend and build. This is the critical middle step. Use a dense synthetic brush or beauty sponge to press and roll the corrector into skin, which preserves coverage and prevents streaks. If you need more correction, add another half-pea amount and repeat. Layering in small increments avoids cakey finish. Once blended, step into natural light to confirm match. If tone reads too warm or cool, counter with a small dab of cool-toned concealer or warm bronzer. Subtle adjustments refine the result. Finish by setting the corrected areas to lock pigment and prevent transfer. Lightly press a translucent powder or a finely milled powder foundation with a fluffy brush. You want just enough to mattify but not dull. Then, apply your regular foundation or tinted moisturizer, blending outward to unify texture. If you notice creasing or patchiness, reduce the amount used, allow extra setting time between layers, and reblend with a damp sponge. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.